Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Also, as mentioned in the pros section, a beauty blender uses lesser product, and it's because of this that it doesn't work too well with light coverage foundations. You'll only end up using a lot more foundation and will end up spending more.
Take our lead.
The reason the beauty blender is worth the price tag is that it's completely unique, says Murdoch. The texture makes it so that as you apply your makeup, it's simultaneously blending, so you get a super seamless look to your makeup that you just can't get with other sponges or foundation brushes. The 21st of February 2019.
Take our lead.
What makes a beauty blender so special? Well, the difference between a beauty blender and a standard makeup sponge is primarily the shape. The different curves and points are suited for different parts of your face, and even the color can play a role depending on the intended application. 6 December 2019.
Let's help you make your mark.
Some makeup artists swear the beauty blender creates a more poreless finish. Allure has pointed out that Beauty Blender's sponge is hydrophilic, which means it's designed to absorb water. All that water leaves less room for the sponge to absorb your foundation, so theoretically it should reduce product waste. 14 March 2019.
Take our lead.
Using it dry absorbs the product back into the sponge rather than adhering it to your face. The cool thing about it is that it expands to about 50% its size when you use it wet. This enables the sponge to deposit a streak-free finish, and you don't waste any foundation, says makeup artist Alan Avendano. 12 September 2016.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.